What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randy with OnEdge TV. So today we're not doing a traditional unboxing, but we're gonna do an unboxing on this Seagate hard drive, and I'm gonna talk to you about why I feel like Seagate is better than Western Digital. Stay tuned. So, I just ordered me a new hard drive from Amazon Prime. It's a Seagate 8 terabyte. But yeah, I just want to share my experience on why I think Western Digital, I don't trust Western Digital at all. I had a really bad experience. So, we're going to get into that, but let's get this thing open right now. Just love Amazon tape for some reason. And yes, get you one of these Mossy tools. I did a whole video on why I think they're dope. All right, this big box for this little thing. We don't need that. Here we go, Seagate desktop expansion. Check that out. But yeah, so I have my other hard drives over here because I did want to talk about why. Sit this over to the side real quick. But yeah, so I have way more hard drives than this, but these are just the ones that I have that's not either salvaged, taken apart, or just completely destroyed. So starting with this guy, I got this guy back in maybe 6 years ago, and it still works. There's an Apple sticker on there because I got this hard drive the same time I bought my first iPhone. It was the iPhone 5C. So you know, iPhone users are super hyped over Apple stickers. So, and then I just got this one this year. But yeah, so basically it was like 3 years ago, I bought a desktop version, Western Digital, the desktop one. And it was like 4 terabytes of storage. So the first time I bought it, it didn't even work. It wouldn't turn on. So I took it back and got another one, got the same one. And it worked for about 2 months. And then it just completely died. And there was no way to get the stuff off of it. I couldn't recover anything. Took it to Best Buy. I took it to other tech people. Nobody could get it to work. I don't even know why. But then I was like, you know, I'm done with Western Digital. I'm never going back to WD. So as you can see, I still have these here, but I don't use these. They're just there. But I started using Seagate because I noticed my smaller hard drive, my first Seagate hard drive, it's been going for 4 or 5 years. It's been dropped, it's got beaten up, and it still works perfectly fine. And I never had an issue with it. So, and I had another Seagate that dropped, and that one, the port got damaged. So I took that apart, and I was able to plug that into my PC, and it worked fine. So I was able to salvage everything. But yeah, that's why I don't trust Western Digital, and I'm straight Seagate all the way. Now, how can I cut this without destroying the box? There we go. Whole thing's sharp. But yeah, I mean, and I've heard other stories about how Seagate messed up and died, and Western Digital never gave them any issues, but it was only one screw up because I lost 4 terabytes of hard work and project files, and that hit me hard. So yeah, it takes one time and I'm done. One and done. But yeah, I have way too many hard drives. I am working on a RAID system. That's coming in the near future. That's a must-have, especially doing professional videography, because I'm going through hundreds and hundreds of gigs a day. And then on top of that, I'm doing YouTube now, so that's even more gigs and all kinds of stuff. So, that's what we have. This is so hard to get out. All right, so I'm assuming this is all the cables. Yep. Go ahead and open this first. I have like 1 million of these. Cool. And boom. Same as this one. It's nothing new. But I figured it while I'm sharing my story about Western Digital versus Seagate, I might as well just unbox this hard drive in the process, because apparently unboxing videos are the most popular. And this is some instructions, blah, blah, blah. Who actually read the instructions? I don't, on most things. All right, so I need to label this actually, because it looked just like that one. Nice. Sweet. Yeah, man, so that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much why I can't stand Western Digital and why I always use Seagate. Of course, there's tons of hard drive brands out there, Lacey and all those other brands. I'm not a hard drive specialist, so I'm not even gonna pretend like I am. I'm just basing this off of my personal experience and what I know about hard drives for the most part. But when I do get my RAID system set up and all that, I'm gonna hire a professional or get someone who knows about that stuff, because I don't know a lot about it. But yeah. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. What are your favorite hard drives? Why do you like Seagate, Western Digital? What's better for you? And what are you using right now? Definitely, let's connect. Let's do it. Peace. Da, 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 da. Intro's rolling. All right, so we're back. So yeah, I just picked up this hard drive. Well, I ordered it on Amazon. It's on Prime. Yeah. Take two. And